Hello guys, today I will be taking you through Launchpad project that's going on right now. This project will be launched today. So at this point, let's go into the Launchpad project. You can see the project is on, and right now is the time to commit my token because I have been keeping it for days, for a period of 7 days. So as you can see here, it says congratulations, you are qualified. All right, now I have to commit my token. So I have 168 to Bybit token to commit, and this token will be locked for a period of time. So now I have to click on commit now. Remember to subscribe, please. So as you can see, the project is still on, and anyone can commit at this time. So now you can see the time. So let's see what next. So it is now the distribution period. As you can see, the distribution period is on, so everybody is getting their own token. So when I click right here, you see the time remaining for the distribution to end. So just about 39 minutes. So right now when I click here, you can see the amount of token, GGM token that I received. So they have rewarded me with some of this token. So you can see how the whole staking went, and now I got just 9.8945 token of GGM. As you can see, this I got for free just for staking my token. Now the period of screenshot is over. As if you want to know more about that, you can read up the information. And now is the distribution. Sorry, the subscription period is also over. And what is going on now is the distribution period. So immediately after the distribution period, the next period will be the launching period. This token will be launched in Bybit exchange immediately after the distribution. But the distribution period takes some time. So as you can see here, the distribution is complete and the project has been launched. So I have 9.89, and the launching period is what is happening now. So anyone can go in now and sell their airdrop. So let's see the value of the token that I received. So you can see here GGM, and I got 9.8, and the value of this 9.8 is right now is just $3.6. Yes, $3.60. That's the value right now. But meanwhile, if this is a good project, it will also grow with time. Having in mind that I got it all for free, so I lose nothing. As you can see here, is opening the spot wallet for trade, and is making about 1,000 plus profit for the people that entered during the immediate launch. So you can see here, I have only $3.6 worth of GGM token. Yeah, so let's just see the chart. I see the wow. In the chart right here, the token was launched at 0.025 and immediately it shoot up high to 0.60. That's 60 cents. From zero point 0.2 to 60 cents. That's a huge massive profit. So right now the project is over, so I'm not selling the token, or I may probably sell it later. But let's see if Bybit has any